Hi, Rod. Thank you for joining us here at the IOWN Global Forum.
Hi, Vito.
Glad to see you.
Glad to be here.
Thank you. Really wanted to talk to you today about some interesting things that Fujitsu is doing. And maybe you can tell us a little bit about Fujitsu's point of view on the photonic networks of the future.
Yeah, the purpose of Fujitsu is to make the world more sustainable by building trust in society through innovation. Okay. Networking is one of those key areas of innovation. And photonics is one of the key focus areas for our network business as well. So when we think about the future, we have to think exponentially. You know, what does it mean 3 years, 5 years, 10 years from now? And so IOWN has set a vision for 2030, which even in that time frame, we need to think about what's the impact of exponential growth.
Your point you made about Fujitsu focused on sustainability and the future, how important is photonics to sustainability in a greener future?
It's very, because if you look at energy consumption across the world, the networking industry is a huge contributor towards energy consumption across the world. Right. So photonics plays a key role. If you can remove the amount of inefficiency in converting from electrical to optical to electrical to optical in each as you go across the network, and you can keep it all in light, you actually use less energy to transmit higher bandwidth than all of those conversions.
Could you talk maybe an example of some business benefits that you would get from this? Obviously lower cost, but latency potential or other things that drive benefit?
Here at IOWN, we're working on proofs of concepts. We're showing latency control across the network. So for example, we did a proof of concept from Osaka to Tokyo, Japan, 400 kilometers. With equal controlled latency, and it had an orchestra playing music in the two locations seamlessly, like they were in the same room, which is incredible.
Which people don't realize can't be done now.
Can't be done. No. So more impressively, if you think about what you could do with that, you could have remote automation in a factory. You could have remote healthcare applications like surgeries and procedures that require cyber to physical interaction with no delay.
No delay. As if it was a human there, right?
As if there was a human right there in the room. But there's many important social issues that can be addressed with that type of technology. And there is becoming a challenge with the skills to operate these networks. So the optical network is an analog physical network. So it's complicated. And if we can simplify that with intelligence, so technologies like digital twin, which puts sensors in the physical network, brings that data into software that creates a virtual digital replication of the physical network. And that allows us to actually automate and simplify the operations of the network.
So any closing thoughts on the future of photonics for all of us?
No, I just think this is an exciting time. This is we've seen transitions in our industry from generation to generation. This is one of those times. This is where we're going to see the next real wave of investment.
As you said, exponential, not just a short term, but a long-term change in the way things are done.
It's exciting.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Rod. I appreciate it
very much.
Thank you.